Hey everybody, T-Steamer here, and I'm doing a video on the Xbox Rockband Jaguar guitar, and specifically the strum mechanism. So I have the back of the guitar off. You could probably see in other videos how to do that. The key in this that I really want to tell everyone that I couldn't find anywhere online is really how this switch works, okay? And the key to this strum bar is this and this. Now these are two reed switches, and what a reed switch is imagine two pieces of metal that are kind of, well, that's not gonna, stupid. Man, imagine two pieces of metal. Here we go, like this, right? So you got a Q-tip and you got a piece of metal. Imagine they're both pieces of metal and they're just a little bit apart like that, okay? And if I had another magnet and I was bringing it in, like from here, I could cause these two things to open and close, right? I could bring it close. If these Q-tips were the same, they would repel and this would kind of come apart. And when I removed it and got it out of the way, right, it would connect again. And so that's open circuit, closed circuit, that's a 0, 1, that's all the computer needs to do some work, right? So now, let's look at how that happens here, okay? Some people may think that the key to this, when you look at it, is this little guy down here. That's some kind of like magnet or something. Maybe you've seen like magnet paper. Dude, that's nothing, that's just a piece of rubber, okay? The key is in this pole and in this pole, okay? Because the closer you bring this pole to that switch, that's that magnet, right? And so it's gonna go, make sure I don't, you know, it's gonna actuate, boonk, and then it's gonna come back. Same thing over here when you strum the other way, boonk. Now, see this, it's not very elegant, but it's very functional. This piece of wood here, I broke this part. Came completely off, and that's why I was very focused on this. But upon further inspection, I found that I also had a hairline crack in the bottom of that post. You can kind of see it. It's kind of like almost looks like a boat, right? And so what I needed was some way to get this post closer, this post closer to that switch. And so I just jury-rigged, just kept using different size pieces of toothpick. Actually, they're the big, big skewers that you use marshmallows on, until I got what I needed, and it was perfectly calibrated. Now, here's another thing that you may not know is you can operate this guitar with the cover off and everything. You gotta be very careful about the wires and not touching anything, but with the power on, you can then functionally check this, and I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna pause it, that way I can turn this on, and I'll show you over with the TV. So stand by.